2021. With
Ram
less than
1500
65,000
Classic.
miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.